Hey there, science fans. Today, we're diving into the world of batteries. Ever wonder what makes your gadgets go? From your smartphone to your TV remote, batteries are the unsung heroes of our daily lives. It's all thanks to these little wonders called batteries. They come in all shapes and sizes, each designed to power different devices. From your trusty remote control to your smartphone, batteries are everywhere, powering our modern world. Imagine a day without them. No texting, no remote control, no portable music. But what exactly is a battery? How does it work? Let's break it down. Think of it as a tiny energy storehouse. Inside, it's packed with chemicals that react in a special way to create a flow of electricity. These chemicals are usually a mix of metals and electrolytes. When they react, they produce electrons, which flow through your device to power it up. This electric power is what makes your devices come to life. Pretty cool, right? Without this flow of electrons, your gadgets would be lifeless. Batteries are like miniature power plants, providing portable energy wherever we need it. From small AA batteries to large car batteries, they all work on the same basic principle. Now, let's dive a little deeper and explore the science behind these fascinating energy sources. We'll look at how different types of batteries are made and what makes them unique. For instance, lithium-ion batteries are common in smartphones and laptops. They are lightweight and can store a lot of energy, making them perfect for portable devices. Then there are rechargeable batteries, which can be used over and over again. These are great for the environment because they reduce waste. Speaking of the environment, recycling batteries is crucial. Many batteries contain harmful chemicals that can pollute the earth if not disposed of properly. So, next time you use a battery, remember the science and effort that goes into making these tiny powerhouses. They truly are remarkable inventions that keep our world running smoothly. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty, the chemical magic happening inside a battery. Batteries are fascinating devices that power so many of our everyday gadgets, from remote controls to smartphones. But have you ever wondered what makes them work? Every battery has three main parts: the anode, the cathode, and the electrolyte. These components work together in harmony to create a flow of electrons, which is essentially what we call electricity. Think of the anode as the negative side. It's like a tiny electron factory, always eager to send out negatively charged particles. These particles, known as electrons, are the key players in the game of electricity. The anode is typically made of a metal like zinc or lithium, which has a high tendency to lose electrons. When the battery is in use, these electrons are released and start their journey towards the cathode. The cathode, the positive side, is like an electron magnet, always ready to receive those tiny particles. It's usually made of a material like manganese dioxide or lithium cobalt oxide, which has a high affinity for electrons. But how do these electrons travel between the anode and cathode? That's where the electrolyte comes in. The electrolyte is a special medium that allows the flow of ions, which are charged particles, between the anode and cathode. The electrolyte can be a liquid, like in car batteries, or a paste, like in many household batteries. It acts like a bridge, allowing the electrons to flow freely from the anode to the cathode. This flow of electrons through the external circuit is what we call electricity. It's the movement of these tiny particles that powers our devices, lights up our homes, and drives our cars. So next time you use a battery, remember the incredible chemical reactions happening inside. It's a tiny powerhouse of energy working tirelessly to keep our world running smoothly. Just like superheroes, batteries come in different shapes and sizes, each with its own superpowers. Two of the most popular types are lithium-ion and alkaline batteries. Lithium-ion batteries are like the marathon runners of the battery world. They're lightweight, hold a lot of energy, and can be recharged many times. That's why you'll find them in your smartphones, laptops, and even electric cars. Alkaline batteries, on the other hand, are like the reliable workhorses. They're readily available, affordable, and perfect for everyday devices like remote controls, flashlights, and toys. Have you ever noticed that some batteries can be recharged while others can't? That's because there are two main types: rechargeable and non-rechargeable. Rechargeable batteries like lithium-ion are like boomerangs. You can use them, recharge them, and use them again. When you recharge a battery, you're basically reversing the chemical reaction, sending the electrons back to their starting point. Non-rechargeable batteries like alkaline batteries are like one-time use rockets. Once the chemical reaction is complete, they're done. They're great for short-term use, but eventually they need to be recycled. Section 5. Battery power up, voltage and current explained. Now that we understand the basics of batteries, let's talk about two important terms: voltage and current. Voltage is like the pressure pushing the electrons through a circuit. Think of it as the oomph behind the electric flow. A higher voltage means more power. Current, on the other hand, is the amount of electricity flowing through a circuit at a given time. It's like measuring the number of electrons passing a point each second. A higher current means more electrons are on the move. Section 6. The future of batteries powering tomorrow. Batteries are essential for our modern lives, and as technology advances, so do batteries. From powering our smartphones and laptops to electric vehicles and renewable energy systems, batteries are at the heart of our daily activities. They provide the energy storage solutions that keep our devices running and our lives moving forward. Scientists are constantly working on new and improved battery technologies that are smaller, more powerful, and longer lasting. In cutting-edge laboratories around the world, researchers are developing batteries that can charge faster, hold more energy, and have longer lifespans. These advancements are not just about convenience, they are about creating a more sustainable future. Imagine a world with electric cars that can travel even farther on a single charge, reducing the need for frequent recharging and making long-distance travel more feasible. These cars will not only be more efficient, but also more environmentally friendly, contributing to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and our reliance on fossil fuels. Smartphones that last for days without needing to be plugged in, allowing us to stay connected and productive without the constant worry of running out of battery. This will revolutionize the way we use our devices, making them more reliable and convenient for everyday use, and homes powered by renewable energy stored in efficient batteries. These batteries will store energy generated from solar panels and wind turbines, ensuring a steady and reliable supply of electricity, even when the sun isn't shining or the wind isn't blowing. This will make renewable energy a more viable option for households and communities. The future of batteries is bright, and these advancements will play a crucial role in creating a more sustainable and energy-efficient future. As we continue to innovate and improve battery technology, we move closer to a world where clean energy is accessible to all, and our dependence on non-renewable resources diminishes. This is the promise of powering tomorrow. Section 7. Battery Safety 101. Handling with Care. While batteries are incredibly useful, it's crucial to handle them with care. Here are a few safety tips to keep in mind. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions for use and storage. Never expose batteries to extreme temperatures or open flames. Don't mix different types of batteries or use old and new batteries together. Keep batteries away from children and pets. Remember, safety first. By handling batteries responsibly, we can enjoy their benefits without any mishaps. Section 8. Batteries and the Environment. A Sustainable Future. As we rely more and more on batteries, it's important to consider their environmental impact. The production and disposal of batteries can have negative consequences if not managed responsibly. The good news is that recycling programs for batteries are becoming increasingly common. Recycling batteries helps to conserve resources, reduce pollution, and minimize the environmental impact. By choosing rechargeable batteries whenever possible and properly recycling used batteries, we can all contribute to a more sustainable future. Section 9. Conclusion. The power of batteries. From powering our smartphones to driving electric cars, batteries have revolutionized the way we live, work, and play. These tiny powerhouses are essential for our modern lifestyle, and their importance will only continue to grow in the future. So, next time you pick up a device powered by a battery, take a moment to appreciate the science and engineering that went into creating this incredible energy source. And remember, by using batteries responsibly and supporting sustainable practices, we can all help to power a brighter future. Stay curious, science fans.